Hi everybody, Jody Marketplace Boutique. So today I have some estate sale finds from a local fun estate. It was a really old farmhouse. So today I have estate sale finds, really high price thrift store, but hey, I like it. What can I say? So I went to this really old farmhouse where I went to high school, which was interesting. I found some goodies there. I probably could have bought more. I really just need to learn how to buy stuff. I wish I would have bought more jewelry. And I thought about going back the next day because it was half off, and the smart me would have done that. I'm not sure what I did instead. So I got this really cool, really old stove. Isn't this neat? So this is Perfection Oil Heater. Yeah, it's definitely old. So it looks like kerosene might have gone on the bottom, maybe. I don't know. So I bought this. It was so cute. It was $30. And look how cute that is. So I am going to clean this up, and I'm going to actually put a little plant on here, like a nice fern. So I'm going to go to Home Depot, find a nice fern, put it on there. I can't wait. And I think I might stick this in my bathroom, oddly, just because I have like a cute little space to put something. Or by the front door. I'm not sure. I just thought this was just adorable. I could not say no. And I also got some other goodies. You know, sometimes estate sales can be kind of more expensive, but not always. Okay, so I got these really pretty homemade linens. Isn't that beautiful? I think this is a set of placemats or a runner. Needs a little bit of washing. This one was $3. Look how pretty that is. Don't you love that? That estate sale was so nice. It had many things. I kind of regret not buying a couple more things. So I got that. I got this really pretty tablecloth. And somebody hand crocheted this. Isn't that beautiful? Very pretty. This one was $4. This was too cute to pass up. This was $3. What is this anyway? Is this a table runner? So I might sell this one. I don't have little kids or anything, but I thought that was so cute. Either there, I'm just going to keep it for maybe the bathroom. Is that weird? I don't know, but I just love little kitty cats, so I might keep that and just put it on the back of the toilet or something. It's super sweet. I thought I would sell it, but I don't know if I can. It's just too cute. I love the cloth on it too. It's like a waffle weave. Okay, this was $2. Isn't that cute? It's just a little tea towel for the kitchen, or you can put it in the bathroom. I love the hand stitching. This was really pretty. I think these will clean up nice. This was $4. This is very old. You can tell by all the little stitching. See that stitching? It's beautiful. Beautiful. So I picked this up too. This has got a lot of yellow staining, but with bleach, I'm sure that will come right out. And that would be absolutely gorgeous. Look at all that hand stitching. So pretty. And I got there several hours after it started, so don't be afraid to go there to an estate sale even after they start. The second day was half off, and sometimes I see them like 75% off, so you can still get good deals even the next day. And then I went to a kind of a higher price thrift store, I think, or maybe they're just all getting kind of high priced. I'm not sure. I'm not so sure I would pay those kind of prices to resell on eBay. unless it's something that will bring a higher dollar. I don't necessarily like selling high dollar items because the risk is kind of higher too. I don't mind the cheapy stuff. I think they have a little bit too much because the prices are so high, but they're lower than the stores. So you can definitely find some really good stuff. A lot of stuff even had tags on it. And best of all, it goes back to the community, which is great. And the clothes are great. Okay, so here is my bag from Trotter, and I did not get very much because this one by me is a little bit more expensive. So I usually just pick out things for my family or sometimes like bigger items to resell. But as far as clothing goes, I don't usually buy stuff to resell. Okay, so here's what I found. And they have really beautiful like summer clothes and stuff. Really pretty options. This was probably my favorite. They had a lot of Shein clothing. I got some shorts for the kids, some cute little pants, and some of these are so flowy. I love like summer flowy shirts. So, but look how pretty that is. That's a vanity top. They have pretty stuff for summer. A Worthington, I think this one has black rain and it's more of like a tunic top. And then, so this is an Alfani, and I just thought that was really cute. Might actually see some of these show up on eBay. So that's what I got. I think I spent just about somewhere around $50 for this. So that's not too bad. So I think there's like 7 pieces or so. So yeah, I don't usually spend that much money on reselling, but it's cheap enough to where if you try it on, it doesn't work. Just list it. eBay's got free listings too if you have a store, so that makes it awesome. I think there's free auctions or maybe free fixed price for people who do not have a store too. I'm not quite sure about that, but I think maybe a low number amount. So that's what I got. We just went out for ice cream, which was wonderful. So nice. The ice cream shops are back open. So we took a trip to Zeeland, Michigan to Moville, and we got some ice cream. Ooh, look at all the yummy flavors.
That's a big one, Sophia.
How was yours? Okay, everybody, I hope you enjoyed my little eBay vlog for today. Let me know if you found something cool lately. I'd love to know. Everybody have an awesome day. Bye.